Do you want to build a gaming PC that won't blow your entire budget but still packs serious power? Then make sure to stick around until the end because today I'm showing you a well thought out build from the processor to the case. The RX 6500 XT is perfect if you're aiming for solid 1080p gaming performance without spending too much. Thanks to its efficient dual-fan cooling, it stays nice and quiet, great for a silent build. Of course, 4GB of VRAM is a bit limited, especially for newer games and high-res textures. But for popular esports titles like Valorant or League of Legends, it's more than enough. Compared to the GTX 1650, it offers newer features like PCIe 4 and AV1 support, even though its memory interface is a bit narrow. Be sure to check the product links in the description if you want more details. The 12600KF is a beast when it comes to value for money. The combination of performance and efficiency cores gives you excellent multitasking and top-tier gaming power. Plus, it's overclockable, so you can push it even further if you want. It doesn't have integrated graphics, but since we're using a dedicated GPU, that doesn't matter. Want more tips like this? Subscribe to the channel, and if this video helps you, drop us a like. The ASUS Prime H510MK is a reliable entry-level motherboard. It has everything you need for a mid-range gaming system. With a fast M2 slot and USB 3.2 support, you're covered. Even the chipset doesn't support overclocking and only has 2 RAM slots. If you're looking for a stable starting point, this board is a great choice. RAM is your PC's short-term memory, and with 16GB in a dual-channel kit, you're ready for gaming, streaming, and everyday multitasking. 3200MHz is fast enough for most games and applications. An SSD makes your system feel lightning fast, and with nearly 1TB of space, you've got plenty of room for your OS, programs, and games. Even though it's SATA-based, it's still way quicker than a traditional hard drive. This cooler keeps your CPU nice and cool and whisper quiet. Its compact size fits into nearly any case without sacrificing efficiency. 650 watts is more than enough power for this build, with extra headroom for future upgrades. And even though it's not fully modular, it delivers reliable efficiency and performance. The case is simple, functional, and offers enough room for all your components. Perfect for a clean, straightforward build that still looks great. If you want to build a well-balanced gaming PC that's still budget-friendly, this setup is the way to go. All components are well-matched and offer solid performance for 1080p gaming and more. As always, you'll find links to all the products in the video description. Don't forget to give us a like, drop a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any future builds.